Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this rainbow character! Hello, super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 7000. Did you know? Numberblock 7000 is made of 7 groups of 1000. 7000, and it has 7 beautiful rainbow colors. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A big rainbow body, magnificent. Now draw 6 vertical lines inside the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This makes 7 sections. Now draw tiny vertical lines inside each section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. Fantastic! We reached 70. That's SEVENTY. Now it is time for the horizontal lines. These lines will create all 7,000 tiny blocks. There are so many lines, but we will have fun doing it. Let's draw the first group of lines. Here we go. Ready, check time. Are you still drawing with me? Raise your hand if you are ready. I can see you. Amazing. Let's keep going. More lines coming. More horizontal lines, drawing beautifully.
Careful hands. Numberblocks can teach us counting. Numberblocks can make us stand. Every color brings a feeling.
Every line makes more tiny blocks. We are getting there. Keep going. Find the shape time. Look at these 3 shapes. Is Numberblock 7000's body a circle, a square, or a rectangle? Think carefully. The answer is rectangle. A tall, beautiful rectangle. Well done.
Color corner, color center. Fill each box from left to right. Make the picture super pretty, shining, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we are learners, we are builders full of dreams.
More horizontal lines. Halfway there, keep going. You are doing so well. Stretch break time. Stand up and stretch your arms wide. Stretch left, stretch right, stretch up. Amazing! You look great! Now sit back down, more lines coming. Almost there, keep drawing. Every line brings us closer to finishing. Looking absolutely incredible. Power countdown time. Count down from 7 with me. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Power up! Amazing energy! Let's finish those lines. Last group of horizontal lines, let's finish. Drawing, drawing, almost there. And the very last line, done. 7,000 tiny blocks, all complete. Wow, 7,000 blocks. Now let's draw the face. Numberblock 7000 has rectangular glasses. Draw the left glasses frame, rectangular shape. Now the right glasses frame. Inside the glasses, draw the eyes. Left eye and right eye. Now add the eye details, the pupils. Such cool glasses. Now draw the rainbow hair at the top. 7 colorful hair spikes, 1 for each section. First spike, draw it pointing up. Second spike, right next to it. Third spike, 4th spike, 5th spike, 6th spike, and 7th spike. Now draw the happy smile, a big, beautiful smile. Add the inside mouth detail. What a joyful face. At the very top, write the number 7,000. Now draw the hands on both sides. Left hand, right hand. Now draw the legs at the bottom. Left leg, right leg. Our drawing is complete.
Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 7000. I have 7 sections and 7 hair spikes. I am made of 7,000 blocks. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils black. And inside the mouth area, black too. Sharp and clear. Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the glasses frames yellow. And the smile outline, yellow too. Golden yellow glasses. So stylish.
It's time to draw the number blocks.
Now pick up indigo. Spell indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Color the hands indigo. And the legs indigo too. Deep, rich indigo.
Draw makes learning feel complete. Draw a block and draw another. Stack them side by side. Every number starts with shapes. Watch them grow with pride. Lines go up and lines go down. Corners strong and square. Drawing number blocks together.
Now the rainbow coloring begins. 7 colors for 7 sections. Pick up red. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color the first section red.
It's time to draw the number blocks. Let's begin today. Take your pencil, take your crayons. Let's create and play.
Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the second section yellow.
Drawing number blocks together shows how much we care. Now it's coloring time, let the colors shine. Fill each block with happy shades, one at a time. Red is bright and blue is cool, yellow like the sun. Coloring the number blocks is learning mixed with fun. Color gently, color neatly, stay inside each line. Every stroke and every shade makes the picture shine.
Now pick up orange. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Color the third section orange. Color check time. How many sections have we colored so far? Is it 1, 2, or 3? The answer is 2. Well done. 5 more to go. Let's keep coloring.
3 and 4 and 5 blocks, look what we can do. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks standing tall. Counting while we color makes learning best of all. Add more blocks and count again, numbers growing high. 20, 30, 40 blocks, reaching to the
Now pick up green. Spell green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Color the fourth section green. Quiet focus time. Take a deep breath in and out. We are doing amazing. Almost there.
shade the edges, fill the middle, make it smooth and clean. Turn the page into a picture like you've never seen. Art and numbers work as one, hand in hand they go. When we draw and color blocks, our thinking starts to grow. Take your time and enjoy it. Learning is a joy.
3 more sections to go. Let's finish strong. Now pick up sky blue. Spell sky blue. S-K-Y-B-L-U-E. Sky blue. Color the fifth section sky blue.
Drawing number blocks makes learning fun in every way. Now the picture's almost done. Look how bright it looks. We just made a masterpiece, better than our books. We can draw them once again tomorrow and today. Number blocks will always help us learn. Count, draw, and play. Draw and color, count and smile. Learning numbers all the while. Number blocks are fun to see. Art and math in hall.
Now pick up indigo again. Color the sixth section indigo.
Look at this page, let's make numbers, let's engage. Tap your crayons, clap your hands. Drawing numbers is super grand. First we sketch, then we build. Every little box gets filled. Left and right and up and down. Boxes turning into town. Pick a color, spin it round. Drop some color, watch it bounce. Splash of blue and pop of red. Numbers dancing on the page instead. Fill it in and make it glow. Fast or slow, just go with flow. Oops, a line, that's okay. Color fun comes every way. Count it out, here we go. Watch the numbers start to grow. 1 jumps in, 2 join 2, 3 and 4 say how do you do?
And the final section. Pick up purple. Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the seventh section purple.
Color, color, zip, zap, zoom. Brighten up the whole room. Turn the page into a show. Watch the number blocks steal the glow. More blocks, more fun. Stack them up, we're not done. Big or small, short or tall. Every number loves them all. Spin the colors, tap the beat. Drawing time is super sweet. Hands are busy, brains awake. Every block is ours to make. Finish now, let's take a look.
And now the rainbow hair. Each spike gets its own color. Spike 1, red. Spike 2, orange. Spike 3, yellow. Spike 4, green. Spike 5, sky blue. Spike 6, indigo. Spike 7, purple.
Color it, count it through. Learning's fun when we make
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.